Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix directions not available on iPhone maps or direction issues. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first thing I want you to do is open up your settings application and offload your app. So you click on general and then click on iPhone storage, and then you can scroll all the way to maps. So let's see where my Google Maps is. Sure. And then you can click on offload application. This will obviously uninstall your application, but you can install it again. If this also doesn't fix your issue, then what I suggest you is go back to your home screen of your settings application, then scroll all the way down to privacy and security, then click on location services, then share my location, and this should be turned on. This share my location should be turned on. And I suggest you to go down to your Google application as well and click on always, so it will allow your location access at all times. So this is a quick and easy way how to fix your directions not available on your Google iPhone maps. So I hope this video was very helpful. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment or suggestion on the drop box below. It's me Elise signing off. I'll see you in the next one.